Hi, in this question, as you can see that there are three similar dolls are given. The small one has a height of 3 centimeter and surface area is 100 centimeters square. Medium one has surface area of 225 and the volume is 1350, and the large one has volume 6250. I have just written it in the order only. Find the difference in heights of large and medium. Now you need to understand that ratio of area is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding lengths. Whatever is the length, if there are similar figures, we use this. So for the smaller one, area is 100 and bigger one is 225. On the other side, I have length of smaller one, which is 3, so 3 squared over, let's say the length of medium one is x. So I'll write x square. So like that, I will get the length of medium doll. So from here, when I will solve for x, it will be x square is equal to 9 times 225 over 100. And if you square root this, you will get x is equal to 3 times 15 over 10. It is 4.5 centimeter. So 4.5 centimeter is the value of x, which is length of medium doll. Now we'll move forward for large. For large also we can do the same thing, but now we have to use this answer and we will use the volume. So volume of medium, I'm considering V2 over V3 is equal to L2 cube over L3 cube. For volume, we use this relation whenever we have similar figures. So the ratio of volume of similar figures is same as ratio of cube of their corresponding sides. So here V2 is 1350 over V3 is 6250. L2 means just now we have found, so 4.5 whole cube over, let's say this is y, so over y cube. So here we can use calculator. So 4.5 cube times 6250 over 1350, and whatever answer we get, that we can use to get cube root, because we need to get y. So on solving, the value of y comes out to be 7.5. 7.5 is the length of large doll, and this completes our first part. Now the next is difference in the volume of small and medium dolls. Now we have volume of medium. We can use this to get volume of small. We will use the same condition for volume which we have used. Okay, so that let us do on the next slide. Now what all things I need, let me just write. So I need to get volume of small one. So I will write volume of small V1 over V2 is equal to L1 cube over L2 cube. I have almost everything now. So V1 is what we want. V2 is 1350. Then L1 is length of small one, that is 3 cube. And L2 is x, that is 4.5 cube. So I will get the value of V1 from here. That will be 27 times 1350 over 4.5 cube, and that is 400. So now they were asking difference between volume of small and medium. So I have to do V2 minus V1, that is 1350 minus 400, and that gives me 950. So that is the answer for second one. So just go through it one more time. There is one question for sure from this topic in your exam, so just make sure that you understand these things properly.